Hey guys, if you work as an employee in the UK and you have to work from home even for one day, you are in luck. HMRC has just announced that if you were working from home during the lockdowns, you're entitled to claim a full year tax relief for working from home. There are certain conditions to apply for this relief. Number one is that you must be an employee in the UK and you have paid tax. The second condition is that your employer told you to work from home. It was not a choice. You did not choose to work from home. So, for example, the office was closed during the lockdown, or you had no access to your office. In that case, obviously, then you were forced to work from home. And the third condition is that your employer did not pay you anything extra for working from home. Initially, it was announced by HMRC that people who are working from home can claim £6 per week as an expense and claim a tax relief on that amount. However, only in this month, in January 2021, HMRC has declared that those who have worked during the lockdown even for one day, they can claim the tax relief for the whole year. So you can claim £6 for all of the 52 weeks as an expense and then claim tax relief. And this could entitle you up to £125 refund from HMRC. In this video, I will explain the whole tax implication of this matter. However, before that, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can keep making videos like these. To explain this tax relief, let's take an example of two employees. This example is for the normal circumstances, assuming no lockdowns. Let's say the first employee was making £30,000 gross income per annum and the second employee is earning £60,000 income per annum. As employees are not allowed to deduct any expenses, for example, traveling to work, bus tickets or train tickets, etc., or lunches, their gross income or their taxable income would be £30,000 and £60,000 as they have received. The only deduction will be made before the tax calculation would be their personal allowance, which is for tax year 2020-21 is £12,500. This brings their income to £17,500 for the first employee and £47,500 for the second employee. The first employee will pay the tax only on at 20% because his or her income is less than 50k. And the total tax payable would be £3,500, as you can see on the slides which I'm showing you. And the second employee will be paying tax on the first £37,500 at 20%, and then the rest of the 10,000 would be taxed at 40%. So the total tax he or she have paid is 11,500, as you can see on the slide. Let's take working from home scenario now, because this is going to change things for these employees. In the first scenario, employer is going to pay £6 per week to both of employees for working from home, and we will assume that employer is paying for all of the 52 weeks. In this case, first employee will receive £30,000 as gross income plus £312 as an extra money for working from home. Hence, first employee will have total income of £30,312 and the second employee will have total income of £60,312. However, £312 is tax allowable, so it will be deducted before the tax calculation, and hence the net income will be equal to £30,000 and £60,000 as it was before. The tax calculated will be £3,500 and £11,500 as before. There is no change in the tax paid from the first scenario. However, employees have received extra £312 as for working from home. Now let's look at the second working from home scenario. In this case, employer does not pay employees anything extra. Hence, the total income for the year would be 30k and 60k, and the tax will be calculated because they are employees. The tax will be calculated under PAYE, pay as you earn. So employees would receive money after the tax is being deducted. For the whole year, the amount of tax which will be deducted would be 3,500 and 11,500. just like the previous two scenarios. However, because they did not receive anything from their employer, and now HMRC has allowed them to claim a tax relief. Employees can claim tax relief for 52 weeks on £312 at the rate which they paid tax. So the first employee who is earning 30,000 can claim 20% of £312, amounting to £62 and 40 pence. And the second employee, because he or she was paying tax at 40%, he can claim tax relief at 40%. Hence, he or she can claim up to £125 as a tax relief. If you want to learn more about this tax relief, I have written an article which is available on our website rmraccountants.co.uk, and I have given the link below, which will take you there, and you can read. It's only a 10 minutes read. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give it a thumb up and share it with your friends